Hello! Welcome back for another natural little recipe for your skin. And today we are going to use coffee grounds and orange peel to make two different body scrubs. If you want tips on how to make your own natural skin scrub, then join me. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video, and take every opportunity to live a more natural life. Let's start with the coffee scrub. I have here the used coffee grounds which I let dry very well for a few days, and I will use 1/3 of a cup of this ingredient. In another container, I will now mix the oils. The first oil is sweet almond oil, which will help to hydrate and soften the skin. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil. And to integrate the aroma, I'm also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla macerated in jojoba oil. If you haven't watched the video on how to make your own macerated oils, I'll leave the link in the description below. After mixing all the oils, I will now gradually integrate the two parts. Exfoliating the skin helps to remove dead cells, leaving your skin with a healthy, glowing, and youthful appearance. However, always exfoliate your skin gently, making circular motions and without applying too much pressure to avoid irritating the skin. Remember also that oils will make surfaces slippery, so use only a small and sufficient amount of the scrub on your skin during the shower. You can also use a loofah to help apply the scrub. Next, I'll put it in the chosen jar. And the coffee scrub is ready to use. And now let's move on to the second skin scrub, where I'll use orange peel. Here, I used the clean and sanitized orange, and using the finer side of the grater, I removed only the outer part of the peel without getting the white part. Then, I left it to dry naturally for a few days. Once it dried, I used a small mortar to break up the clumps that formed to make them finer. And if you want, you can make the particles even smaller. Here, I have 1 teaspoon. For this scrub, I am using table salt, but you can also use another one, such as Epsom salt, which helps relax muscles, or pink salt, or even sugar. If the granules are too large, you can put them in the blender for a few seconds to make them finer. Now I will mix the two dry ingredients. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C, which helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin. However, do not use lemon peel as a substitute. Lemon peel is also rich in vitamins, but it can irritate or even stain the skin if exposed to sunlight. And now I will follow the same steps I did with the first scrub. However, here I am using twice as much oil as in the first recipe. I will leave all the ingredient quantities of these two scrubs in the description below. Note that in neither of the homemade scrubs I used preservative. Salt, as we know, is a natural preservative when used in large quantities, just like sugar and some oils. Therefore, when using these scrubs, separate the desired amount in advance into another container. This way, you avoid introducing water into the jar, which will help with preservation and prevent ruining your oils. And to enhance the orange scent, I will add a few drops of sweet orange essential oil. After mixing well, I will now combine the two parts. Both scrubs are abrasive, so make gentle circular motions and avoid using them on the face, neck, and chest, where the skin is thinner. For these areas, softer exfoliating ingredients are more suitable. Coconut oil can also be comedogenic for facial skin. If you want me to make a gentler scrub for these delicate skin areas, leave a comment below. And it's ready! Now just enjoy! Which of these two recipes did you like more? Leave your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave a comment below and see you in the next video.